decided not to be there. I was walking away for a while, but then I heard a terrible sound.
I always needed time on my own. I never thought I'd need you there when I cry, and the days feel like years when I'm alone, and the bed where you lie is made